Mark Army EDC gadget right here. Let's see what's about. Beautiful holder. Let's see. Wow, that's a cool, like I guess like a little jar, metal jar. Ooh, so this is just a little leather. Mark Army EK33S. Little neck knife or keychain knife. Look how small that is with a nice sheath. Plugs in there super easily, but still have to pull it. Wow, flicks out really well. Have a little bit of oil right here. Anyways, have a little bit of oil stains over here, but I think it will come off over time. Don't bother me too much. MT90 steel, beautiful anodized green, tiny little knife. So like, what is it? Less than an inch, maybe an inch. That's so cute, but look how well it flicks out, and it's a frame lock right here. So awesome. Boom. And even better, this right here, little sheath, locks in there super nice. So little neck knife, like a keychain over the neck, or have it like a keychain. Super cool. PE, not really sure. Butterfied Fish, a hummingbird, stain MT90 blade, brown titanium handle. Let's see what's about. Cool, check this out. That is fun to open it. Beautiful logo, nice sheath. Okay, this is something new to me, and I had no idea it's so small. It does look like a fish, maybe a whale, closer to a whale. Let's see what's about. This is pretty unique. Okay, so there's a clip, nice, tight but also flexible clip. There's a flipper. Ooh, that is cool. Look at that pointer. So I'd hold it this way, 3-finger, a little knife. That is amazing. I love it. Frame lock. Flips all the way out this way. That is cool. So really easy to flip it open. First one, I wasn't sure how to flip it open. All I have to do is just kind of push it like at the end of the flipper. That's where the tension is. Such a cool detail. I love the logo. So little. Need a knife, open it, and use it this way. Break up boxes, so on. Hold it this way is very comfortable too. Like a pinch grip with the one grip here, or 3-finger grip. If I have to slice through something, probably would be very easy to hold it like this to open up boxes with the precision cutting. But yeah, I kind of like it how it flips over almost in the middle. The blade is very unique, flicks out super nice. Pretty thick blade too. Wow, I love unique knives and gadgets. This is definitely one of them. This one showed up in a fan mail, Ladle Opener. So let's see what it's about. So it's like a motorcycle throttle, but the bottle opener is this way or this way, and it would work really well. But it's hilarious, like and open it. Ladle Opener. That is so cool. And again, looks like a little dirt bike handle. Very cool. Okay, glass breaker blue. Let's see what it's all about. Little tool with the keychain, glass breaker, and spin this way. So this is like a fire striker. But to strike it, all I have to do is just go this way or this way. So there's a striker and also a holder. A little bit damaged over here, kind of surprised about that. But overall it's a really cool idea. Fire striker right here, protected, and if I need to strike it, all I have to do is just strike it this way. Super cool. Dog glass lighter, Field S Plus. So this is like a $100 lighter. Let's see what's about. Okay, first impression, very lightweight. This is like a trench lighter. What is this, a safety in here? Ooh, this is slides down. So that is a safety. Unscrew it, slide it down. and then spark it, and there's a ball right here. I would have to kind of flick it almost. If I just push it not too hard, it doesn't spark. So nice and good flick, recommended. That's unique how there's a drum right here and there's a safety. Boom, and it will not spark. Very interesting. This right here, let's find out what's in here. Ooh, so that's what the like flint would be. Slide in here, but instead of a spring, there's this side here, a little like spring inside this pipe. Very cool. Okay, that's very unique. I don't see that every day on the lighters, and I put to the test a lot of lighters. It keeps in there really tight. I like it, and it's water resistant. Beautiful. There's mark inside here. How do we refill it? Whoa, the whole tube comes out. That's interesting. That's cool. And there's a ball right here that keeps it locked. Nice. Okay. Now this removes right here and refills it with the lighter fluid, and this comes off. Wow. Okay, there's a little hidden spot in here. So this side here would be extra fill canister in case we run out when we need some fill. I could start it or use it as like a fire starter. And also this side here takes apart as well as this extra flint holder, and there's already one here. That is cool. I've never seen an built-in a lighter like a fill canister. There's a fill canisters separately available, but this one built in into a lighter, and it is just so cool and unique. Don't see that every day for sure. Probably the only lighter has that in my knowledge. And a safety, super cool too. So I don't have to worry about it flickering inside my pocket or whatever. It has nice safety. Here's another little lighter that is a keychain, miniature one. It's on spin this way and sparks. Beautiful. I think the whole thing comes out right here. Lighter fluid goes in here. Also, if I take it out, this could be just like a capsule, or I can put the lighter in here. This side here like $6, very inexpensive, and this side there, how to remove the flint and light it. Super little lighter, but it gives off a ton of flame. I love it. It's only like $6, very inexpensive and super cool to have. Next I got it here, Hugo knife manual. This one is Magna Cut, and it has this Ultim clip. Ultim clip is like a see-through material, but it has like a yellowish material to it. Wow, that is cool. Very miniature holder, so actually usable. So why do we want Ultim? First of all, it looks cool. It have this like gold yellow color to it, but at the same time we can see how the mechanism working. So there's a little button, or I can open it this way, or I can hold it with two hands. Two hands kind of like flick it out a bit, not enough. Also it is very lightweight, and there's two springs on it, and we can literally see how this works. The spring, maybe just one. Oh yeah, that's a one spring, and it has cut out in it into this handle. So that's release it, and then it clicks back in. Same thing. Main click and locks back in. Very cool. I like it. So one more time. What about on this side? Ooh, it's a double. So on the same Same side, different spin it here. I love seeing like the design, how it actually works. So locking mechanism right here. Very cool. Old time is very popular. James brand has a beautiful logo. The Palmer automatic purple aluminum. Okay, let's see what's about. Beautiful packaging. Whoa. Oh, you know what? It's like a EDC tool. Why is this whole box so heavy still? Wow, interesting. Okay, that's the only color I could find. It's pretty much sold out. It's explanation how this works. This is like anodized, so unlock lock. Cool. Okay, so there's a button. Okay, there you go. This side here is unlocked, and nice utility knife. Or I can use it this way, hold it. Oh, it's locked too as well. So there's a lock right here. Oh, no way. This is just to remove it. That is cool. So it's called unlocked. Okay, now we figured that out how it works. Let's do this again. So put it, lock it, cut a box, put it in the middle, pull it out. Oh look, the blade also has a logo. Slide it in here, lock it. That's it. Very easy. Wow, very stylish utility knife. Again, that the only purple was available. There's different colors, but I love the just sleek design, and the button is so cool, and locking mechanism very unique too.